So this is M Modest here, supposedly reporting in my backyard on the 6th of March, another rocket launch getting ready to be fired off from Vandenberg. So hopefully we'll see that at about 1925 Pacific Standard Time. So what you're seeing up in the sky is an aircraft going by between the wires. But that is an airplane. It is not the vapor trail of the rocket. It's supposed to be a Falcon-9 rocket that's going off. Oh, there it goes, right over there to the west. Come on out. Yeah, she's really hauling. First stage out. Man, she is really traveling. Geesey geese. Looks like she's traveling towards the south, just like the previous one just a few days ago. Fired from Vandenberg Air Force Base. Shooting across the sky. I think I could see the booster. Yep, there it goes. Yep. Those little other plumes you're seeing is the first stage booster. Slowing the rocket down. Barely faintly see it. Hope you're able to see it. Going right underneath the wire. Neighbor's dog going crazy. Watching a rocket launch. Thanks, dog. Rest of the booster flying very well. First stage is barely seen. And that's what an early evening launch, not as dramatic. Still a little too dusk. Booster's still flying. Headed south to release another set of Starlink satellites. So where's that booster? Looks like that booster might be around in this general area right here. Coming upon that little U-turn of a notch. Passing it now. Second stage boosters between the wires. Third one from the bottom. And passing it. And that's it. So after about 25 minutes have passed, time right now is about 1950 hours Pacific Standard Time. This is what you should have seen. Something a little bit more dramatic. A little bit more splashy. Okay, that's what you see there is the exhaust of the rocket fuel coming out of the nozzle. Normally this would be the time that we usually would launch from Vandenberg, but this came out okay. You would see that very nice white streak and this very iridescent cloud formation It's just above the Earth's horizon, so it's being lit by the sun, which has already gone down. But those clouds are so high up in the atmosphere that it's lighting it up. So that's what it would normally look like. Now, the booster itself has already disappeared out there far beyond the southern skies, headed south, probably in a polar region. But that's what your rocket exhaust would look like. The plume would look like as it's leaving Vandenberg Air Force Base. So again, another supposedly successful Starlink launch of a Falcon-9 rocket. Booster looks like it was going back into the Pacific. No hitches, no explosions, no kidding. Not much of a grand vapor trail. Little too sunny still, even though it's about dusk right now, twilight approaching. Usually a lot more dramatic if the sun has gone down a little bit further. But that's what a rocket launch from Southern California looks like. Hope you enjoy that. Have a good day. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. Ciao.